What I do, traders. My name is Arthur, and in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly I turned 10,000 Rand to 50,000 Rand during this bull run, and I'm going to show you the exact strategy that I used to be able to do this right here in this video. So this strategy works pretty much for everyone. Doesn't really matter whether you're a beginner or advanced trader, and good thing is you're not really going to take a lot of risk because you are only going to make money with spot trading, you know what I mean, on Binance. So let's just jump right into it, and you can see that right here, this is my portfolio, and I started with at least 9,500 Rand right here because I'm in South Africa, right? And you can see that this has been an uptrend. So right here at the peak where I hit at least 51,000 Rand by simply taking advantage of spot trading. So this is the exact strategy that I'm going to show you, and I'm not going to hide anything. And by the end of this video, you're going to be able to make at least passive income every day with spot trading every day on Binance. So you can see the coins that I've been trading right here, Ethereum, Paybase, and stuff like that. And I'll show you how exactly you can also find better coins to, you know, buy and sell and stuff like that in this video. So make sure you pay attention and watch the whole video to the very end and stuff like that. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. And currently you can see that my account is sitting at 50,200 Rand, and we're going to record another video again whereby I'm going to give you an update of this account, right? So first thing first, you're going to have to go fish, right? It means that you're going to have to find coins that you need to be buying and coins that you need to be selling. So you can see that I use coin market cap to find coins that I have to be buying and stuff like that. So currently Bitcoin is sitting at 86,357 thousand US dollars, and to find coins that I have to be buying and stuff like that when prices are down, I use coin market cap and I go to trending coins. So this is where exactly I'm gonna be able to find those nice gems. These are coins that are gonna give me at least, you know, 10% going upwards and stuff like that if I invest in this, you know what I mean? And good thing is, you know, this is not like derivatives trading whereby I'm gonna get liquidated and stuff like that. This is simply spot trading where I have to be buying low when the prices are low and sell later at higher price when the prices are higher, you know what I mean? So by repeating this process, you'll find out that your account will keep on increasing and stuff like that. So this exact strategy that I'm about to show you in this video, and I'm going to show you the tools that I use in this video. So, you know, you can use your own tools and stuff like that. That doesn't really matter, but as long as you're making profits and you're using same strategy that I'm about to show you in this video, then you are good to go, you know what I mean? So you can see that number one trading coin right now is Bitcoin, because, you know, Bitcoin is the OG in the market and is not too risky, you know what I mean? Followed by Ego and Dogecoins and stuff like that. I mean, these are all great coins that you have to be buying, and these coins are trending at the moment, you know what I mean? And you can see that some of these coins have dipped at least 25%. This can be a good time to buy into these coins because they have dropped in value. So what I do is I go to CoinMarketCap and look for better coins to buy and stuff like that. So these are all trending coins at the moment. You can see that CoinMarketCap has given me at least 50 coins to take advantage of right here. So remember that this is only spot trading, and you can also take advantage of this coin by simply using futures trading and stuff like that. And that's another topic, you know what I mean, because there's a lot to cover when it comes to futures. But right now all I do is, you know, I simply look for the coins that I have to buy. So for example, let's take a look at RBTC right here, right? So to do this, I just don't jump into Binance and then buy the coin. I have to do technical analysis and see where exactly I have to be buying these coins and when exactly I have to be selling these coins. So to do this, we're gonna have to jump to TradingView, and we're gonna take a look at RBTC right here, and you can see that it has pumped at least 277% within 7 days. So this can be a good coin that we have to be paying attention to and take advantage of, right? So let's just jump right into TradingView right here. So right here you can see that this is TradingView, and these are the tools that I use, right? For those who don't know what heavy crypto indicator is all about, this is an indicator that tells me when is good time to buy and when is good time to sell. As you can see, it gives me buy, sell signal, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. When the price is down, you know, I get this buy signal, and then I jump to Binance right here and take a trade, right? Meaning that I'm gonna have to buy at lower price, and then When the price is up, I get that sell signal, and then the price go down, right? So currently we're looking at the price of Bitcoin, and we want to take a look at RBTC. All right, so let's just take a look at RBTC, this one right here from BitGet. So you can see that this is a new coin and has been going parabolic, right? Where we got a buy signal right here, and after this signal the price went up like crazy, and we got a sell signal right here and the price went down a little bit, and right here we got another buy signal. It went up like crazy up to, you know, new all-time highs after getting this buy signal, and then just retraced, and right currently the price is sitting at 0.16. All right, so if we zoom out, you can see that we're gonna find buy and sell signals, right? For example, you can see that we got a sell signal right here, and since this signal the price has been going down. All right, so is it a good time to buy this coin after getting 277%? I would say no. I mean, we have to find something that hasn't done a lot. All right, for example, we can take a look at Solana, and also we can take a look at Cardano and stuff like that. These are the coins that we can, you know, take advantage of and buy at lower price, right? And these are coins that are trending. Know what I mean? So let's take a look at daily candlesticks right here and see if it's good time to buy. So we also already missed right here. We got a sell signal right here, so right now just retracing. But if we retrace and then we get a buy signal right here, it's gonna be good time to buy. Remember, these are trending coins, so whenever we get a buy signal, it's good time to buy so that we can ride the trend. And this is how exactly I managed to, you know, turn at least 10,000 rand to 50,000 rand right here trading on Binance, right? It's very, very simple and anyone can do it. You can also view my portfolio right here. Started with 10,000 up to 50,000 rand, and it's simple like this. So you can just go to heavycryptouniversity.online right here, heavycryptouniversity.online, and this is where exactly you can find these tools that I just showed you, and these tools will give you buying and selling signals every time when you're trading and stuff like that, and it's 24/7. You know what I mean? Is right here. It's called Heavy Crypto Indicator, and this is a tool that I use for both futures trading and spot trading. So if you want to build up a portfolio and you want to know when exactly you have to be buying and when exactly you have to be selling, and these are the tools that I use. You can also use any other indicators and stuff like that and see if they will work, but personally these are the tools that I use, and the link to heavycryptouniversity.online is going to be in the description below as well. But other than that, I just wanted to share with you these amazing strategies that I have been using and all that stuff. So if you enjoy this kind of videos, make sure you like this video and subscribe so that you won't miss out anything in the future. Therefore, send the video. Love and peace, guys. Cheers.